back to 110 RC Scale Tales. We're back in the garage, and today we're talking about Fenmist, my Fairey Huntsman RC brushless cruiser. Took it down to Beveridge Park this afternoon, had a fantastic time, sunny afternoon, absolutely fantastic. Then things took a turn for the worse. The motor went on fire out in the middle of the pond. Don't know if you're able to see that. You can just see it there. Yep. Smoke came out of the boat and it had to be rescued. It's all on film. Check out the video. So Fenmist was performing exceptionally well out in the pond. But when I came around the second, I decided to slow down in order to get a good, nice close-up video. As I approached the red post, there was a shudder, and you'll see when the boat turns right here, it comes to a stop suddenly, and there's a puff of smoke at the rear. I'll show you again, slow motion. Watch closely, stops, puff of smoke, and again, about now. The plume of smoke quickly rose from the cabin and realised the boat was on fire, so we launched the dinghy. Meanwhile, two little boats from the club went out to nudge the boat towards the bank. The smoke quickly died down, and I realised I actually still had rudder control and limited power, and I was able to limp across the pond towards the bank. Meanwhile, the dinghy was out, and John, fellow member of the club, he kindly rowed out to rescue Fenmist from the far bank. Here we see the modern rescue boat. This is what, make it count, John. This is what your training's all been about. That way. Well, that certainly wasn't how I expected the afternoon to turn out. Hope you enjoyed that. It was a great afternoon and a lot of fun at the end. But as you can see, the boat's now in bits. The motor's there. I've been online. I have a new motor on order. Should be here this week. So hopefully Fenmist will be back on the water next weekend or the coming weekends back at the boat club. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. It really does help the channel. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Subscribers help the channel, and please comment, good or bad, I will reply. Leaves me to say, keep on trailing, keep on sailing, and don't burn out any more motors. Enjoy. Cheers now. Bye bye.